Ay, I got a Cali bitch, move to the A. She from the Bay, pussy too good, call her Bay. Ay, she suck me real neat, just like a vacuum. Even when I sleep, something feeling weak. She wanna lift me at 3, wake up at 5. Dancer got slap on my chicken.
That these folks are vegetarians. Hey, I'm about to slide past y'all folks. Y'all got me chopped, man. Don't even hit the Yui, bro. Oh, that is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Let me tell you. You gotta work smarter, not harder. You can't get in the parking lot. Can't even get in the parking lot. But guess what, though? Hold on. We gotta hit a slight little U-turn. This is a median right here. It's a whole median right there, bro. I cannot cross the street. But damn. You know what they say? If it's a will, it's a way. I'm definitely gonna hit this though. I need to make this Yui right here. I ain't got no music playing cause I'm recording a video for y'all, you know. You did. It's your boy. Ooh, smooth Mac Daddy Tay. Folks probably looking at me like, this guy. Yui time. Alright. Now we making some covering some ground. This where we finna park at. Ah! This where we finna park at. No, the rest of them folks, they couldn't even get a spot. Yeah! What's happening with it? Come holla at me. You Gucci, bro?
You know it, chilling, shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You finna clock in so I can dip?
Clock in?
You finna slide?
You a whole joke. I'm finna go get some of that chicken across the street. I doubt it. It's plant-based. Y'all finna get some of that chicken.
Some of that plant-based chicken?
Yeah.
Tell me how I hit on.
I got you. I'm gonna bring y'all some, really.
Oh shit, fuck.
I'm about to park over here.
I ain't bet.
Face card magnificent.
Face.
KFC.
Hey, trying to catch you.
I am on the beach. KFC. Make sure I ain't getting shit hit by no car. This fool in the middle of the street trying to get a spot in the line, but guess what? All these cars are here for the same reason. All these cars are here for the same reason. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, Lord, look at that. That is ridiculous.
9 times out of 10, that's 6 what I rate you. Ayy. Cutting all my ties from the fool niggas. Shit, I swear I'm not too good with new niggas. OG check my IG, you done see me with a few niggas. I keep a small fucking circle to the room bigger. Right? Real talk, partner. I was down to work, but you ain't wanna talk, partner. Knock a couple niggas shit off my fucking roster. Man, I'm going crazy in these streets, I'm like a fucking monster. In the game, nah, nigga, I can't stop rocking women.
If y'all cannot hear me with my AirPods, I apologize. This is a one take tape.
Man, shit, we move around, give them the blues clues. Shit, leave us in the sauce, shit, I'll lose you. I'll come through with 2 twos, right?
Just know, what I am doing, I am about to eat Beyond Fried Chicken by KFC. It's a plant-based chicken, but I don't know how it's called chicken if it's plant-based. But yeah, So, finna try that for the first time, and we'll see how it goes. So, the line is moving, but not a lot. I'm getting to like the concrete. I'm almost in the store. Look how close I am. Little do you know, it's about 80 people in the store. This store is boy conducting traffic.
Yes, I think it was the attorney in Florida that acknowledged service. So what's your
Yep, follow the guy with the hat. That's how you know it's a lot of people though, man.
in a lot of cases the attorney
They gave me a little pen. If y'all would like to buy the pen, the pen is on eBay.
You talking about can I be myself?
So,
I'm out here fishing because I heard it's plant-based. That sounded so, you know what I'm saying? I just had to, I want to try it out. And I work across the street. Oh, man, I don't even work across the street. I work down the street. So, I came out here too.
took the opportunity. I saw that it was here, only here also, only in Smyrna. So I decided to give me a piece of chicken and record a video. There go my camera. Cameraman. Yeah.
And are you guys recording this video? My co-op on a site called Now This.
Now this.
It's like a new.
So far, we have covered major ground. This is all the ground that we have covered. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, and we're here. Trying to get in there. So far, we have the interviews. We've seen a lot of interesting women.
3 more hours to go.
3 hours. 45 minutes down, 3 hours ago. Yeah. And that's really it, man. Check it out. This is what we getting into. Dun, dun, dun. We're getting closer. We're under the tent. You know what I'm saying? This is the door right here. And I'll get no closer than that. Let's read this. There you go. By entering and your presence here, you consent to be photographed, filmed, and or otherwise recorded. Oh yeah. I'm already recording, so we can do that. I ain't tripping. You heard me? We're not here for this though. We're not here for this. KFC is terrible. I'm in the building though. This where we at with it. I guess it's not a long wait from here. Just ordering, honestly. But next, you're gonna see me eat this food, right? And y'all go comment on the video as I eat the food. Alright, understood? Break.
Bro, don't tell me I don't got niggas, bro. Bro, don't tell me.
Huh? You get nuggets, I get chicken. Bonus wings. If we get separate things, we can try everything.
What's up to y'all?
Cause I'm trying to try everything.
You said you trying to have a whole.
I'm trying to try everything, but I'm not gonna spend $20 on some food I'm not gonna eat.
I know.
2 6 pieces, 1 honey barbecue, and then nuggets. Cause I took out $12 for 12 pieces. How many are you gonna get? It's nothing left to do but eat the chicken. So here, as I wait, This is my receipt from the Colonel. Waiting on my chicken. I think I see my chicken. Go ahead, give me them, shorty. Go ahead, bag them up for me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, that's me. How you doing, mommy? How you doing, Toya? I'm good, I'm good. Thank you for my chicken. Thank you for being next to me. I enjoyed my time in line with y'all. Y'all have a blessed day, all right? All right, now I'm ready. We can record. It smells like soup, like chicken noodle soup. Is that weird? Yeah, that is weird. Yeah, we in here.
It's okay. It don't taste like meat though. It tastes weird to me.
You ate it?
It smells weird too.
I told you, it smells like chicken noodle soup. Didn't it?
I'm not thinking it. I just.
What it smell like? Like.
Maybe I shouldn't have waited for you.
It smell like
No, but
I don't know what it smell like. At first, I was so stuck in chicken noodle
I got
soup.
some real chicken right here though.
I swore up and down it smelled like
I want you
chicken.
to compare it to the real chicken.
I mean, I don't want to say nothing bad.
Man, that ain't it. That's what it is.
It ain't bad, but it's like
Nah.
I eat so unhealthy, and for me to like switch to this,
I already
it's
eat
kind of
salad.
weird.
I already eat salad, man.
I can't complain. Like, but it's better than what I expected. It's better than what I expected. Yeah. Go ahead, come on. Go ahead, try you one, my boy.
Get you 3 of them.
Get you something to eat.
Get you 3 of them all, bro. Yeah.
Cause I'm not gonna eat all of these. Hey, y'all trying to go to Taco Mac after this?
What's that, the honey mustard? Yeah, that's a honey mustard. I ain't double dipping on
So
that.
we're grubbing at the table. We're feasting on these decent chicken nuggets. I'm not gonna
I'm going to
appraise
Wendy's,
them. No, they're decent.
I'm going to Wendy's.
So you wanna get them again?
I'll get these. No,
Yeah, you like it? Well, shit. Let me get his.
Jason just don't be trying.
What? I'll go to Wendy's.
Get your
It
reaction.
don't taste good. It don't taste bad. It's like a nugget. It's like if you had to eat something, I would eat it, but I wouldn't choose it.
Yeah, it tastes like the nuggets that you put in the oven.
Yeah. Bet. If I wanted to like stay healthy and eat something and enjoy it,
you still
fried it in the day though. Sure, we do it.
I know what I can say. It wasn't worth waiting in line for 2 hours. I can guarantee that. It was pretty. It's decent. Are you a vegetarian or a vegan?
I'm vegan. I haven't had meat in like probably 20 years. So
How old are you?
I need to eat on the same diet that you're eating. 34.
I went vegan. I went vegetarian when I was 14, and then when I was
Yeah, my fault. I started to took it.
vegan like
I ain't fucking.
That's why you're
I'm cool.
spending flawless.
I'm cool
Like,
too. You don't want it?
that's really
You know
good.
really good. That ain't bad. Bro, I'm just not hella hungry.
Hey Jason, I ain't even gonna lie. This is my first and last nugget.
Do you mind if I put a mic?